I've been inspired by Boiler Hobby Time, a channel I enjoy very much, to build my own turntable, or Lazy Susan. We are going to build it from this broken record player. It has already been stripped of unneeded components, including the motor. It is no good because it used a friction wheel drive, which starts slipping when you place anything heavier than a record on it. It also uses a main voltage AC, which I would rather not. We will replace it with a 24 volt scavenged geared wiper motor, which has more than enough torque for this application. A buck converter will take our 24 volt input, which is the maximum rating of our motor, and step it down. The voltage is selected with this onboard potentiometer. Turning the potentiometer down, or decreasing resistance, reduces the output voltage, and therefore the motor speed, while turning it up increases speed. Using a screwdriver whenever we want to change speed is not very convenient though. This is why we will replace this potentiometer with a panel-mounted one in the front. We also add a flyback diode to avoid voltage spikes from the motor being slowed down or stopped. With choke, buck converter and switch panel mounted in our assembled frame, we can also mount the motor, which will be hung from the MDF panel. The central hole allows for an axial bearing, which reduces friction. After connecting the motor, all that's left to do is place the turntable, which is held against the shaft with a shaft adapter or shaft collar cut from thin aluminium. Oh, and even though the record player was decades old, we still get to pull off the protective film. And we're done. We also replaced the neon bulb of the indicator with an LED. So now, once we turn it on with the leftmost button, the motor starts spinning and the LED comes on. With the potentiometer, we can set the motor speed to whatever we need, from a gentle turn to a rapid spin. I would like to use it to slowly turn either of my hermitospheres. It also fits inside a Kallax shelf, so there are different options. This button controls an output in the back, so we can use it for lighting. If you have any creative ideas for things to spin on it, let me know below. Thanks for watching.